All right, I've got the right fork leg pulled out. Fairly straightforward, just loosen those two pinch bolts. Upper one here on upper triple clamp and lower triple clamp. And it just slides out. Before I pulled it out, I took a measurement to see how far the upper leg was sticking through this here. So I used a caliper, so it's fairly accurate. You get an idea how much to insert it upon reassembly. So I called ahead to the dealer. They're agreeable to me taking this right fork leg in, and they will rebuild it. So I had to order a set of fork seals. So that's it for now. And I'll see you in the next video for reassembly. Thanks for watching.